Good morning, dear student. I'm I'm Bharat Altoria, your science teacher. We will start revision for term test. So the term assessment 1. So chapter 5. We will start chapter 5, lesson 5, plant reproduction. So after completing this chapter, you will be able to draw and label the male and female reproductive parts of the flower. Discuss the need for the process of fertilization in plants. Explain the process of fertilization in plants. Identify the different kind of reproduction in plants by observing plants. Cite example of the different kind of reproduction in plants. Identify various paths through which vegetative reproduction takes place and give example of each kind of seed dispersal. Discuss the need and significance of seed dispersal. So we will discuss one by one all these parts. Reproduction in plants. The process by which a living organism produces more of its kind is called reproduction. There are two ways of reproduction. There are two ways of reproduction in plants: sexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. So we now discuss first sexual reproduction. The reproductive organs of flowering plants are flowers which later produce fruits and seed. The reproduction that takes place due to the fusion of pollen grains and ovules is called sexual reproduction. Example of plant that reproduce in this way are mango, papaya, rose, mustard, etc. In previous lesson 4, pollination, we know that pollen grains are male reproductive cells which are found in anther. Anther is a part of male reproductive part of plant, and ovules is found in ovary. Ovules is female reproductive cells, and ovary is a part of female reproductive part that is called pistil. So we will study the process how pollen grains reaches the ovary and fuse with ovules and how this process takes place. We will discuss later in the same chapter. Clear? There are five major steps in this kind of reproduction. First is pollination, second is fertilization, third is seed formation, fourth is dispersal of seeds, and fifth one is seed germination. So all these steps we will discuss in next video. Thank you, and whatever you have doubt, please discuss in the group. Thank you.